Okay, drone taking off.
We're outside of Pumphrey Substation in the transmission right-of-way, and we're utilizing LiDAR technology coupled with uncrewed aerial systems, which are also known as drones, to help our vegetation management team more effectively manage the vegetation encroachment on our critical infrastructure. The LiDAR is a specialized sensor that attaches to the bottom of the drone. It sends out hundreds of thousands of light pulses per second, essentially laser beams in all directions, that bounce off of hard surfaces and helps to create a specialized data set, almost like a digital twin of our system that is highly accurate and measurable, which enables vegetation management to physically measure how far vegetation or trees or anything for that matter is encroaching on our power lines. What's really innovative about what we're doing out here is we are utilizing a drone to carry the LiDAR sensor versus something like a manned aircraft. It's much more environmentally friendly, it's all electric, it's much less intrusive on our customers, meaning the noise level is much lower. We can actually get a very accurate result, sometimes even more accurate than manned aircraft, because we can fly lower and slower than the aircraft can to get more accurate data, because we can get closer to the objects that we're trying to map out. It's giving them an idea of how fast the vegetation is growing and in what areas it's growing, so that they can dispatch their crews more efficiently to trim those higher growth areas or those faster growth areas to limit any potential outages or reliability issues downstream.